Good afternoon, ladies and gents. It's Tuesday afternoon, it's about 3:40 p.m. and it's the August 26th. Just going to have a quick go using Dolphin Sounds through the EVPmaker software. I've got it running, I've got it on pause. I'm going to ask some questions and see what we get. How many ladies and gentlemen are walking with me in spirit today, please? My name is Andrew. If you could call my name out and let me know that you can hear me and you can talk through this, that would be wonderful. Can you come forwards? Can you tell me how many spirit guides I have walking with me on a daily basis, please? Are there any messages you'd like to share with me? Please come forwards and just speak as clearly as you can through this. Manipulate the audio. Can my guides tell me their names, please? I'm pretty sure there was a Peter and a Matthew, maybe Janice, Elsie. Can you confirm that for me, please? Thank you. Are there any family members with me today? Would you like to come and have a go at talking through this? Are we going to be able to avoid a world war? Is my sister Stephanie, my heavenly sister, is she available to come forward and just say hello? Are you there, Steph? I might not hear you straight away, but I am recording this so I can review it later. Have you a message you'd like me to pass on to Mum?